Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to activate the recovery mode on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone. To do it, smoothly tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on power off. Tap one more time to turn your phone off. Once it's shut down, you have to tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And once you see the logo, you can leave them and wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, now we are in Android recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using both volume up and down keys, and for selection, use power key. So Android recovery allows you to reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data, so it's factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run locale test, power off the device, and also lacking storage booting. So this is it. You can switch off recovery mode by picking either power off or reboot system now, and this is what I will choose because afterwards we will be able to use our device in a normal way. So let me tap on power key to select it and just wait a couple of seconds until we are back in the normal mode. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, so you can smoothly use the device with all functions active. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.